Hi friends. So if you guys follow me, then you know that I have a dog named Mabel. Lately, Mabel has been sassy with me. She's 2 years old, so she's in her terrible twos right now. And so I'm gonna prank her, cause, oh my God, she's coming right now. She's here. I'm gonna take you guys along and we're gonna play some pranks on my dog. And just as a disclaimer, this video is just a joke. Don't take it too seriously. Okay, let's go. Okay, for this first prank, I'm going to hide from Mabel and then pop out. Pranked! For my next prank, I'm gonna call Mabel by something that's not her name. Shelly! Hey, Shelly. I know your name is Mabel. Pranked. For my next prank, I'm gonna pretend to be dead. Pranked. For my next prank, I'm gonna put Mabel on the table. Next, I'm gonna do the What the Fluff challenge, where I disappear behind a blanket. Pranked! You just got pranked! Pranked. For my next prank, I'm gonna pretend to leave. Bye! For my next prank, I'm gonna put a treat in Mabel's bowl and then put saran wrap on top. Pranked! We were out of saran wrap. So, for my next prank, I'm gonna tap on Mabel's opposite shoulder. Classic. Next, I'm gonna trick Mabel into thinking I'm holding a kitten. Hi. 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 Hello, little kitten. Hi there. Hi, little baby. There's no cat. There's no kitten. Pranked. For my next prank, I'm gonna pretend that I see something outside. Do you see that? There's nothing out there. Look! There's nothing out there, Mabel! It was just a prank! Next, I'm gonna sneak up on Mabel with a tushy poke. Boop. Pranked. For my next prank, I'm gonna get out the vacuum, but not actually vacuum. Mabel hates the vacuum with the passion of 1,000 suns. I'm not actually vacuuming. Pranked. Next, I'm gonna present Mabel with inanimate objects. We're all done pranking. Mabel is fine. She had fun. I'm starting to realize that I have a very loose definition for the word pranking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!